Nothing.
We don't
What
know.
happens, Brandon?
Nothing happens. Okay. Say hi, I'm Brett Radovich, and this is the Cinnamon Challenge. Don't fucking spill it. Are you kidding me? Give me this. Fuck. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
It's like getting out of his nose.
Finish.
It came out of his nose.
He's choking on it.
Yeah, it's gonna happen.
Hold on. And spit it out, Brett. It would have made it go down.
Do you suggest anyone else try the Cinnamon Challenge?
No.
Fuck that.